Hello everyone, today I'm going to be doing a very exciting video. Today I'm going to be trying Shein nails. We're in a pandemic, I'm not trying to go out and get my nails done. A lot of germs. I'm going to be doing my nails at home and hopefully these nails are durable and don't fall off on the first day. These were only like, I think $2, $2.50 or $3, I'm not exactly sure. I am going to try these ones. They are very long, so we're gonna have some long nails. They come with self-adhesive tape, but I know darn well that that is not gonna stay on me. Got some nail glue. This was actually an old Kiss press-on nail kit. They all come with glue, so you can get this at like CVS. Just gonna jump right into it. I'm gonna put my hair up. I look like a peacock. First things first, we need to push back our cuticles. Now, I don't have that tool. I'm just using my thumb to push back my cuticles. People don't come for me. I know it's not like good. So you can use some Glossier on your cuticles to prep them. Okay, cuticles are all pushed back, kind of, I think. I'm gonna get this old nail file that also came in a Kiss acrylic nail set kit, whatever you want to call it. It's like a buffer. I'm pretty sure this is a buffer. And it will just like make the nails stay on longer. So I'm gonna buff my nails. So people, if you're watching this, please don't come for me. I actually have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, now the exciting part. I don't even think I'm gonna cut my nails because I just don't need to, or I'm too lazy. Okay, so here are the nails. And then it comes with a little file. Oh my goodness. Oh, and it has a buffer on the end. Okay, yeah, it looks like this. It's so little. I'm gonna use the blue side because I feel like that's a buffer side. I'm gonna buff again. I feel like this is a better buffer because it's tinier. I'm first gonna take them out of the packaging. And the first thing that I normally do with nails is I like make sure they all fit. These are so long. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god. What I like to do if they're a little too big for the nail but I can't find another one that fits, you know, any better, I just like file the sides of it down so it fits. Why am I shaking? I'm like so anxious to do this, can you tell? I don't know, for some reason I feel like they're gonna fall off. Like I feel like they look like because they're like thick. I don't know how to explain it. But I just feel like I'm gonna put them on and they're gonna fall off. I could be completely wrong. We'll see. I'm gonna fit all them and then I'll be back. Okay guys, it's time. I have them all fitted. I have them all organized. Okay, honestly, I feel like this sounds so dramatic, but I feel like these nails are literally made for me because, okay, first off, love the design, obviously. I love pink. I'm gonna start putting them on also. Really perfect because they fit my nails so well. Like normally with acrylic nails, I have to like really shape them to my nails because like my nails are too small. Really tiny nails, so it's hard to find nails that fit my nails and aren't too big. Ooh. That glue really went in there. I don't think you can see it. Let me cover my light, but that's the first nail. I just put it on. Oh, we bright again. So it just looks, oh my god, I love these. The only issue is they're really long. How do you do some things with these nails? Like how do you, yeah, I'm not gonna get into things that you can't do. Like, how do you go to the bathroom with these nails? That's my one question. That's what I've been wondering. It's so hard. Especially because I'm doing this with my less dominant hand. I learned in a nail video that you should always put, if you're like putting on press-on nails, you should always do the less dominant hand. No, you should always do your dominant hand first. Like put the nails on your dominant hand. I don't know why. Ooh, they're going on pretty smoothly so far. I need to focus because I'm gonna get nervous and I'm gonna do this, so I'll be back. I'm back. I just finished the first hand. Let me close the light for a second. This is what it looks like. As I said, the nails are really, really long. I also have class in like 5 minutes, so let's see how this goes. I have to do the next hand now. This is the done hand, this is the not done hand, obviously. Does it look like there's acrylic? I'm on my class Zoom right now, but I finished my nails and they actually look like really good. As I said, they're really long. They look like I just got them done in the nail salon. I'll let you guys know if they actually stay on. So yeah. Hello everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. Welcome. I came here to tell you that shein nails are amazing. As you saw, I love those nails. They were actually very, very, very strong. Definitely could have stayed on for like 2 weeks. But the next day I got really annoyed that they were so long because I could do nothing with them, so I just ripped them off, which ruined my nails. So yeah, don't rip nails off. Are very great nails. These nails that I have on right now are also shein nails. Do you see this? They literally look like I got them done in a salon. Like, hello? I put these on last night. They haven't even felt like wobbly at all. And they're still on. These are very thick. I came here to say that I definitely 100% 10 out of 10 recommend shein nails. You don't need to waste your money on $50 nails anymore. Just get some press-on ones. So nice. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and always be commenting video requests. And I will see you in my next one. Bye!